The thought was sweet, the laughter called her to her feet. Just one game, she said, unsure, not thinking about what Ben would endure. A promise slipped, a bond unseen. She chased the fun and left the scene. Ben remained home, feeling sad and low. Disappointment building, he wanted to go. Keep your word, let trust remain. Promises broken bring sorrow and pain. Words and actions must align. Be strong and steady, you'll be fine. When you say it, see it through. That's how others believe in you. Tag rang loud through the open air. Friends ran free without a care. One more round, the voices cheered. Ava's worries disappeared, but Ben sat at home on the steps. Hopes held tight in soft regrets. The day grew dim, the sky turned gray. Still no sign of Ava, she was far away. When she returned, his eyes had tears. You promised, but you weren't sincere. Her heart sank deep, she'd let him down. A fading smile was replaced by a frown. She wished to fix the hurt she had made, to mend the trust that began to fade. How could she fix it? What could she do? Ava needed to change to remain true. Keep your word, let trust remain. Promises broken bring sorrow and pain. Words and actions must align. Be strong and steady, you'll be fine. When you say it, see it through. That's how others believe in you. Ava strolled through the cypress shade. Regrets like echoes stuck on replay. But on the ground, under branches thin, MC Sparrow called her again and again. Why the tears in troubled eyes? Share your heart, you can rise. I broke a promise, Ava said. Now guilt and sorrow fill my head. MC Sparrow began to softly sing, to help little Ava remove the sting. Words can lift or cause a bad fall. A promise made should mean it all. To heal the hurt, speak from the heart. Spread the light and do your part. Ava listened, her head held up high. She said, Sparrow, I'll give it a try. Actions matter, words do too. What you say reflects on you. For each promise, follow through with words and deeds in plain view. Think before you make a vow. Stand up tall, show others how. Keep your word, don't go astray, and trust will grow along the way. Keep your word, let trust remain. Promises broken bring sorrow and pain. Words and actions must align. Be strong promises broken.